Ever gone to fill up your Slingshot only to wrestle with a stubborn gas cap that just won't budge? Yeah, you're not alone. Whether it's pressure buildup or weather, that cap can be a real pain. But don't worry, we've got the perfect fix. Meet the gas cap popper. Designed specifically for all Slingshot factory gas caps. With contoured finger grips, it gives you the extra leverage you need to pop open even the most stubborn caps. And if that's still not enough, we've got a backup plan. This little lifesaver features a 1/2-inch drive insert, so you can use a standard breaker bar or ratchet for even more torque. Just insert, twist, and you're fueling up hassle-free. Made from a lightweight yet durable PLA plus plastic, it's built to last, and its compact design makes it easy to store in your glove box, always ready when you need it. Make fueling up quick and easy. If the gas cap popper is on your mods list, head on over to slingmods.com to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, follow, and share to stay up to date on everything three wheels. Ride safe, and I'll catch you guys next time.